Alright, so we are going to start this haircut off by taking a center section down the middle back. Now we've divided the right side from the left side. As you can see, I'm combing the hair down and establishing the length, the new outline for the haircut. Once we've established the length and the outline, then we will continue on with the next steps. So, as you can see, I'm doing the length and the outline right now currently on the right side. Once I've completed the right side, then we will do the left side. Now you can see I've got the hair sectioned off also right above the ear. I'm dividing this haircut into 4 sections. What's behind the ear and what's in front of the ear on both sides. So you got the right back, the left back, the right front, the left front. And basically right now I'm carrying the section from the back now to the right front. Alright, so now that we've completed cutting the right side, it is now time to do the left side. So as you can see, I'm combing the hair straight down, taking the scissors, and basically following the line that I had on the right side to match up with the left side. Alright, so now that we've got the outline all completed, it is now time to execute the layering. The layering is going to make the hair look fuller and thicker. As you can see, I'm taking a center section, combing it straight back, and cutting in that first section. That first section is the guide for the rest of the layering throughout the rest of the haircut. So as you can see, I'm executing the layering on the left-hand side first, and I'm simply taking sections and over-directing them to the previous section. By over-directing the current section to the previous section, using that previous section as your guide, that's how you'll keep consistency in your layering. Alright, so now it is time to continue the layering to the right side. As you can see, I'm combing the hair straight back. I'm using that very first section that I cut in the layering as my guide to establish the layers on the right side. Now, taking another section, and I'm simply going to comb this section just to the previous section. I don't need to over-direct it all the way to the first section, only the previous section. So I'm going to execute the layering on the right side, and once I complete that, we'll go ahead and blow dry the hair and finish it all up. So before we blow dry the hair, I forgot we did graduate the bottom half of the haircut. By doing graduation at the bottom half of the haircut, which you can see right here, I'm holding my fingers in a 45-degree angle and I'm just graduating the bottom half of this layered haircut. The graduation will push the layers up and make those layers look fuller and thicker. Graduation is a technique that builds up weight, makes the hair look fuller and thicker, and that's exactly what we were going for, is a fuller, thicker looking style. So I just got done cutting the graduation on the right side. Now we'll do the graduation on the left side, and then we'll go ahead and blow dry the hair. We've come to the end of another haircut, and as you can see, the graduated layers make the hair look much fuller and thicker. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and as always and as usual, I want to thank you all so very much again for watching.